Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear reviews, knife reviews. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up. So in front of us today, we have a knife by RoseCraft that was provided to me by fellow YouTuber, Raybo34, Ray Bodie. He has a great channel. He sent this over for me to review, told me I could keep it, which really made my day. I thought I was going to have to send it back to him. And his channel is an up-and-coming channel. He's doing some great stuff over there. If you would please consider going over there and giving him a subscription, watch a video, give him a thumbs up, leave a comment. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, Ray Bodie, thank you so much. All right, so let's look at the knife. In front of us, we have the RoseCraft Tarcanis. It is in this beautiful red and black colorway. This is a manual front flipper thumb stud deployable knife. It has that beautiful detent. That sound is amazing. And this is just a beautiful, beautiful knife. The G10 is finished so well. It's layered, but you can't feel where one layer starts and the other begins. It's just beautiful. It's got jimping on top. It's got a deep carry clip. The liner lock. It rides on ceramic ball bearings, so it's very smooth. Let's show you how the clip works with this pocket. That is truly deep carry. That slides right in. The clip's very tight, which I like. It sits in there, totally concealing the knife. It's black, so it hides real well. Comes out really easy. The clip is reversible. Now let's get back to the knife. That is just an amazing sound. So again, it's a 3-inch blade. Overall length is 7.2 inches. So for comparison, we'll show that up against my Benchmade bug out. We'll bring in the Manix 2 lightweight. And then lastly, we'll bring out the NAFS Lander 3. So as you can see, if we line up the pivots, it's on par with the Benchmade, maybe slightly longer in the handle, a little smaller than the Manix 2, and bigger than the Lander 3. So that'll give you a nice comparison as to what size it is. We'll move these out of the way, and we'll continue on with the knife. So this really feels great in the hand. There's no hot spots that I could feel. These have not been beveled, so they do come to a little bit of an angle, but they're not sharp at all, which is nice. My hand feels really good on that. Even though the clips here, for me, it doesn't provide a hot spot, which is really nice. This is just a beautiful blade, and I really like it. It's got the G10 backspace liner. It does have a place for a lanyard. Now, this just looks like this is going to be the perfect EDC knife for me. It has the jimping, like I said. I will say one thing, there are a couple of cons I have on the knife. Mostly everything is pro, but there's a couple of cons. It's got jimping, and the jimping is aggressive, but my finger slides on it because of the PVD coating on the blade. Now, if I press down really hard, it locks in, but I'd prefer to my finger not to slide as much on there. But that's a very minor complaint. And the other one is, and this is the same as the other RoseCrafts that I reviewed a few videos back, I wish there was a filler tab here. And the reason why is because these little corners are a little sharp. And I could see, if you're working with that, them grabbing. But other than that, that is a very minor complaint. But this is just an excellent knife. It's not heavy, it's not light. In comparison, obviously, the Benchmade weighs nothing. The Benchmade, I believe, is 1.8 ounces, where this one is 4.6 ounces. So you will feel this in the hand. But I also feel like with the way this locks up, and because of that weight, that it would be a bit more substantial. So if you had to do some more hard work with it, and man, this is just, I love the feel of this. And you can do those nice slices. It's got that beautiful piercing point if you needed to. If you had to reverse grip for self-defense reasons, it'll do that. This is just a knife that will do it all. This is an Andy Armstrong design. You can see his maker's mark there. And this is just a home run in my opinion. So I hope you like it. And that's just my initial take on the RoseCraft Tarcanis. I can't wait to start carrying this. And again, this was supplied to me by Ray Bodie, Raybo34 on YouTube. Thank you, Ray. And like I said, I'll drop his links in the description. Please go give him a thumbs up on the video, leave him a comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. All right, folks. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blades sharp.